Hello, this is Behind Bars Cycle Repairs. I'm currently working on a little orange C16R. Now, um, I noticed the bearings were a bit grindy, so I've just ripped the headset off. And yeah, it was a struggle. I've literally had to destroy this thing, yeah, to pretty much get it off. Because the headset bearings felt a bit grindy. And as you can see, yeah, there is absolutely no grease on that cage whatsoever. That's a retainer ring. Literally, I could, I'm literally rubbing my hands all over this, and there's basically fuck all grease on this thing. Yeah, there's another little piece. As you can see, there is literally no fucking grease on this bastard headset, which I've had to destroy to get the fucker out. So if you're going to build a bike, at least get some fucking grease on your headset, because there's fuck all on this. And now I had to buy a new fucking headset. Well done, you spanner monkey.